Clean up, 1, 2, 3. I help you and you help me. Clean up, 1, 2, 3. I help you and you help me. Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for the song Clean Up with love signs. So this song, you need to be able to sign a number of signs for the clean up song, and I'm going to show them to you. So the first sign is the sign for clean, and this is how it goes. Clean, clean. To sign for clean, you're going to place your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand is my left, of course. So your non-dominant hand in L hand shape, palm facing down. And your dominant hand is going to be in what we call clench C. So you only use 2 fingers like this, clench C. You put them on the back of your palm, from the wrist all the way down to the fingertips. Clean, clean, clean. The next sign is the sign for up. Up. To sign for up, you're gonna put your hands in L hand shape, palms facing up at waist level, and you bring them up, up, up. Then we're going to sign for 1, 2, 3. This is how we sign for the numbers in love. So you are going to use your dominant hand. So you're going to place your hand in S hand shape, palm facing your body, and then you do the numbers like this. 1 with your pointy finger, 2 you bring your thumb out, and 3 you bring your middle finger out. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. The next sign is the sign for help. This is how it goes. Help, help. To sign for help, you're going to put your non-dominant hand in L hand shape, palm facing up, your dominant hand in S hand shape on top of the other hand, and then you bring both hands out, kind of up and out. Help, help, help. And then we have the signs for me and you. Okay, the sign for me is like this, me. So your dominant hand in D hand shape, you point to yourself, me, me. And the sign for you, it's the same, your dominant hand in D hand shape, and you just point to the other person, you, you. Now let's review all the signs together. So the first sign is clean, clean. Then we have the sign for up, up. Then we sign for 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we sign for help, help. Me, me. You, you. Well done. Now that you know all the signs for the song Clean Up, let's practice the whole song one more time together.